Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adriana Lopez. Welcome to the Orthodontics model of the exam. Personally, this is my favorite model as I am an orthodontist myself. We're going to cover a lot of great content. In all my videos, I'm going to focus mostly on what you need to know for the exam. I hope these videos help you to prepare for the exam, and also I hope they help you to improve your general knowledge and clinical application. Whenever you see this little white tooth with the red question mark, that means you really have to pay attention to that slide because one or two questions might come on the exam regarding to that topic. And well, in our first model, we're going to talk about malocclusion. First, I want to start